If your old phone is getting slow, lagging, or apps are freezing, don't rush to buy a new one. Follow these simple but powerful steps to boost performance and make your phone feel faster again. Step 1. Restart your phone first. Press and hold the power button on your device until the power menu appears. From there, tap on Restart. Once your phone turns off and boots back up, it automatically clears temporary system memory and stops unnecessary background processes. This helps fix small software glitches and gives your phone a fresh start. It's one of the easiest and most effective quick fixes you can do anytime your phone feels slow. Step 2. Remove background apps. Now go to your recent apps screen. You can usually access this by swiping up from the bottom or tapping the square button, depending on your phone model. After that, tap Close All or manually swipe away apps one by one. When too many apps stay open in the background, they keep using RAM and battery power. This makes your phone slow even if you are not actively using them. Closing them frees up system resources instantly. Step 3. Clear app cache for better speed. Open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Then scroll carefully until you find the Apps or Application Manager option and tap on it. Now select a heavy app like Chrome, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Inside the app settings, tap Storage. Here you will see the option called Clear Cache. Tap it. This removes junk temporary files that build up over time and slow down app performance. It does not delete your login or personal data, so it is completely safe. Step 4. Update your phone system. Go back to Settings again. Now scroll down slowly and look for Software Update, or sometimes it may be under About Phone. Software Information. Tap on Software Update, then select Download and Install. If an update is available, download it using Wi-Fi and install it. System updates often fix hidden bugs, improve stability, and optimize performance, especially on older phones. Step 5. Turn off animations for faster feel open settings again and scroll down to find developer options. If you don't see it, go to About Phone and tap build number 7 times to enable it. Inside developer options, scroll until you find the drawing section. Now tap on Window Animation Scale Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale, set each one to animation off or 0.5x. This reduces visual effects, making your phone feel much faster and more responsive. After completing all these steps, your phone should run smoother, open apps faster, and feel much more responsive without spending any money. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.